video, we will study and practice English together with stories. Are you ready to study? Let's begin. The Happy Cat. Lisa has a small cat. The cat plays with a ball of yarn. Every day, Lisa gives the cat milk. The cat purrs and drinks the milk. Lisa loves her cat very much. Let's repeat the story again. Lisa has a small cat. The cat plays with a ball of yarn. Every day, Lisa gives the cat milk. The cat purrs and drinks the milk. Lisa loves her cat very much. Now is your turn to read the story. Question. Do you know the meaning of this word in your language? If you don't know, then ask your parents. Cat. Small. Milk. Drink. Love. Now you already know the meaning of these words. Let's repeat the story again. Lisa has a small cat. The cat plays with a ball of yarn. Every day, Lisa gives the cat milk. The cat purrs and drinks the milk. Lisa loves her cat very much. Now is your turn to read the story. Question number 2. What pets does Lisa have? What is Lisa's cat playing? What did Lisa give her cat? Thanks for watching.